Hello everyone and welcome, and today we're doing a quick review on Viggle AI. Now Viggle AI is all about motion. That's right, motion. Now you can control the move, like it says, create your story, remix, endless possibilities. You can see it. Now what you have to do is create motions in multiple ways. Place yourself or any character you like in a scene for a personalized immersive experience. You can mix, move, or multi. Let's see. This is beautiful. So upload the image, upload the video, and it will do it. As you can see, upload the image and the video of the move. That's all it takes. So you can use Viggle today for motion capture. You can see live events, VFX, memes, immersive sports experience, motion capture with no cost. Break free from costly studios and technical barriers. Viggle lets you replicate character motion from video to image. Green screen support included, fast, affordable, and easy for everyone. Be part of a creative and fun community with about 4 million members. You can join the community or prompt for Discord. They have community showcases. So as you can see, it's capturing the motions and everything. It's really great. And gives you controllable video generation too. See, Viggle is powered by a proprietary GST-1, the first video 3D foundation model with real physics understanding. They make any character move as you want. You can see it here, different characters, so you can animate your characters. You can make them move the way you want them to move. Advanced motion capture. Now, creators have a lot of great things to say about Viggle. They have lots of partners too. They are featured in Forbes magazines and the rest of them. So don't miss out. You can join their email list for their latest features, exclusive offers, and the best of Viggle. So they have a lot of resources. Let's look at their pricing. So they have the free plan, the Viggle Pro plan, and that's it. So you can choose the one you want to get started with. Let's see what else they have. There's the meme generator, where you get to pick a meme template, upload your image, share the phone with friends, and watch your meme go viral. Input the image, pick a meme template, you get your output. Make your meme video right now. So you upload a photo to make a meme. Using a full body photo gives you better results. Like this is Little Yachi stage entrance, you can see it. By uploading a file, you agree to Viggle's terms of use and privacy policy. Now, how to make a meme with Viggle? Like we said, see, you can see this a meme. Let's see. So this is the real video, and this is a meme. You can see the real video, the meme, the real video, the meme, just in a headphone. So many great things. You can try the meme templates. You can swap anyone in a meme by using the mix option. Pick a meme, upload your photo, and watch AI to swap you in the meme video for a personalized experience. You can animate a meme image by clicking on move. Upload a meme, go to move and upload a meme image. Add a motion video or act by yourself. AI will animate the meme by replicating your expressions and movement to it. Memes have never been so creative and funny. So you can get the most personalized meme creation experience ever. They have about 1,000+ free meme templates you can choose from. So share the fun and go viral easily. There's so many great things you can have with Viggle AI. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try and explore as much as you want.